Let's hope this camera doesn't fall off today. So we're over here in Westwood Tennis Center, or Rec Center. I just finished a tennis match, so I'm pretty tired. Running just a couple errands before I go out with my girl later. Forgot my wallet at work, so I gotta go back there. And then earlier in the week, I emptied a storage container, and I forgot to take my padlock. So some backtracking. It couldn't have been a busier week. Just getting used to work again, and then after work, I was like throughout the week I was helping different people move their things. Monday was pretty chill. No moving on Monday, but I did meet some family at a bar to watch the Monday night football game. That was cool. Tuesday is when I helped my roommate, my cousin. I helped her move out. It involved borrowing trucks because I don't have my own truck. It involved a lot of driving, and because it was after work, it was during traffic hours, so that was not ideal. Same thing on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I helped my girlfriend move some stuff out of her storage. Yeah, that's actually whose padlock I'm going to pick up right now. I accidentally left it behind. Yeah, it's just been non-stop this week. The weather is so good for riding now. Shit. Feels good. So the guy I play tennis with, he saw I pulled up with all my moto gear, jacket, pants, gloves, and we were making some small talk. And he asked me if he's not from LA. He was originally from London, from England. We were talking about LA. He said he loves LA. He lived in Boston and Seattle for a bit, but LA is his favorite. I was like, yeah, LA's a great place. I grew up here, so I mean, I don't really know much else. But yeah, we were talking about the traffic. I was like, yeah, the only thing that really sucks is the traffic is terrible. But then he mentioned, he's like, yeah, but I'm sure your motorcycle makes things easier. And it does to an extent. But he asked me if this was a good city to ride motorcycles in. Yeah, I didn't really hesitate. I told him, nope, this is not a great city to ride. Actually, I wouldn't recommend riding here every day. I told him I used to be a daily driver or daily rider. But now I limit myself to the weekends, and I try not to go anywhere in a rush. Try to just enjoy the scenery, enjoy the ride, and hopefully, you know, find routes that have limited traffic, because it's just so dangerous out here. Why else wouldn't I ride in LA? The lanes aren't really that big, even though lane splitting is legal. Like even here on the freeway, they're not that big. Look at this shit, man. But damn, this is nasty. What the fuck is happening? Alright, try not to talk too much while I'm lane splitting because I need my focus. Wonder if I'd be better off exiting and then taking a Magnolia or something. Yeah, let's do it. There's nothing to see on the highway, especially with this traffic. There we go, look at this. Open road. This will do just fine. So I don't really go to this side of the valley that much anymore. Not since I graduated college. We're heading towards the like Encino area. We're actually going to Canoga Park. The only time I ever go out there is to go to the motor shop. They got a cycle gear over there that's really good. That's where I got this helmet, these gloves, jacket. Yeah, I got this jacket there. I got my first jacket there like years and years ago, back when I was still in college. But yeah, otherwise I rarely come out here. I just hate that the closest freeway is the 101, and you guys just saw how crazy it is. Oh man, I would hate to be taking that every day. Dude, I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast, and I just expended probably like 1,000 calories during that tennis match. Reseda. Still got a ways to go. So me and my girlfriend went to the movies last night. We went to Universal to watch a Haunting in Venice. It's supposed to be like a spooky, it's like a mix of genres. It's like a whodunit mixed with horror. It was funny, it was Friday, so we were both tired from the week. We went to the bar, we had drinks like we normally do, except we were running out of time to finish them before the showtime. So we had to chug our drinks, except my girl doesn't really chug, so I chugged mine, and then I chugged hers. I was on a good level. But then because we were tired, we fell asleep during the movie. And then I really needed to use the bathroom. So I left in the middle of the movie to use the bathroom. I tried to go quickly, and I was so disoriented. I tripped over a step and I fell and I bumped my knee. And when I came back, like I felt my knee and it was all swollen. Pretty gnarly bump. And it still hurts today. But I was able to play the match. So how do we do this? What's the best way? Here's Ventura Boulevard, the west side. I think my sisters work around here. Keep an eye out for it, because I recognize these banners. I definitely come here to do like to do an escape room. Yeah, there's I think it's back there, the escape room. And where are we? Winnetka. Let's keep going straight. Got a little bike area right here, bike lane. Bam. Oh, there's Taft High School. Oh. I only had like 50 minutes left on my recording. Gotta kind of move fast or talk about something more serious. It was a pretty dope ride. Not too shabby. I'm glad I got off the freeway. It's Canoga. Yeah. Well, we're not going all the way up Canoga. Fucking traffic lights, let's go. I'm about to take it. Wow, what a nice Saturday morning ride. I mean, it's not the nicest, but it's, you know, for city riding, it's not the worst. I've definitely been through worse. The weather's really good too. We're going up to Satakoy, I believe. Yeah, there's a Topanga Mall. Okay, there's actually a pretty decent street to drive down. Cycle gear is up this way. I cannot wait to put something in my belly. Oh, I'm hungry. Alright, here's Satakoy. We're supposed to be coming up on it pretty soon then. Yep. We're here. Okay. Don't look at my password, okay? Okay. Motion lights. man. This is what we came for. I won't go leave it open. Damn. I'm tired. Don't look again. Gracias. Damn, look at this. Look at these trees. Fuck, man, what a nice fucking ride. Holy shit, man.